Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the fun way with Tree Junior Pro. As you know, my name is Chris, right? And before we start, I know that I haven't been around as much as I want to be, mainly because of work, and also I was doing a little project. So the house that you're seeing right now is the house that I grew up in. We've been living there for almost 20 odd years, or more than 5, and the living condition in that house wasn't great. If there wasn't any water around the area, my mom, who's old, had to walk like a kilometer or 2 to get water, and that was a problem for me. So what I did was I bought a house and I renovated the house. So the past few months actually I've been going around back and forth from Joburg to Tulamahashi, where they are, trying to get a contractor to actually build a house the way I wanted to build a house. So now it's 90% done. I just have to finish a few things, hence I haven't been doing this that much because I've been focusing on the house. So as it stands, they're happy and I'm happy. There are a few things we need to iron out, but that's the main thing, right? We have 2 people that needed something translated. The very first person was Lionel, but with Lionel's translation, I'm going to meet up with Mark this week, where we have a sit down and have a one-on-one. Amongst those discussions we're going to have will be Lionel's translations, right? But for today, I want to do Daniel's translation because it's short. It's only 10 or 9. I think it's 9 translations that he needed. So that one I can hit right from the ballpark, and that will be easy for all of us, right? So let's get to it. The very first thing that Daniel wanted to know was Waebi Amabusu. Again, Waebi Amabusu. So Daniel wanted to know exactly what Waebi Amabusu. Again, Waebi Amabusu. Now that in English literally translated is he or she has done it in abundance. Again, he or she has done it in abundance, which is Waebi Ama Abusu. He or she has done it in abundance. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, why are you always here? Again, why are you always here? Now that in Tree can be said as Adentina debiara woha. Again, Adentina debiara woha. Again, Adentina debiara woha. Slower. Adentina debiara woha. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was kasapa. Again, kasapa. One last time, kasapa. Now that in English can literally mean 2 things, and one of the things is good talk or good message. So again, good talk or good message. Kasapa, good talk or good message. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was calm down and tell me what happened. Again, calm down and tell me what happened, and that in Tree can be said as brafom nakachremi nyesiye. Again, brafom nakachremi nyesiye. Brafom is literally calm down. Again, calm down is brafom. So brafom nakachremi nyesiye. So again, brafom nakachremi nyesiye. Again, brafom nakachremi nyesiye. One last time, brafom nakachremi nyesiye. But you can also actually say brafom nabomi amanye nyesiye. Again, brafom nabomi amanye nyesiye. So if you say brafom, that's calm down, right? Nabomi amanye is news. Nyesiye is whatever happened. So calm down and tell me what happened. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was stay humble. One last time, stay humble. And that in Tree can be said as Kosua bre unhuasi. Again, Kosua bre unhuasi. If somebody says kos, what they're trying to say is continue. Abre bre is like calm down or humble. Unhuasi is yourself. So again, Kosua bre unhuasi. One last time. Kosua bre unhuasi. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was it's nothing too serious. Again, it's nothing too serious, and that in Tree can be said as Enya asembiara. Again, Enye asembiara. Again, Enye asembiara. Slower. Enye asembiara. Enye is it's not. Asem is something, news or whatever it is. Biara is anyway. So again, Enye asembiara. It's nothing too serious. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, what is the meaning of this? Again, what is the meaning of this? And that in Tree can be said as Wei Chreseng. Again, Wei Chreseng. One last time, Wei Chreseng. Slower, Wei Chreseng. Very slow, Wei Chreseng. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, it happened before. Again, it happened before. Now that in Tree can be said as a sea peng. Again, a sea peng. One last time. Esi peng. Slower. Esi peng. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, it's not for you. Again, it's not for you. Now that in Twi can be said as enye wudia. Again, enye wudia. One last time. Enye wudia. Slower. Enye wudia. And the last thing Daniel wanted to know was, it's not your turn. Again, it's not your turn. So I'm assuming either you're playing a game or something about life and you feel as if it's your turn, but it's not your turn. Now that in Twi can be said as enyomre. So if somebody goes kwesi enyomre, what they're trying to say, it's not my time or it's not my turn, right? So if we are playing cards and it's not my turn, you can say kwesi enyomre. So it's not your turn to play. So it's not your turn in Twi can also be said as enyomre. Again, enye wumre. Slower. Enye wumre. One last time. Enye wumre. Guys, thanks again for your continued support. Coming next week, I'll be doing this regularly. On a Monday, this should be pushed out. Next week, I'm going to chill with Mark. Lionel, your translation will be done with Mark as we're doing our one-on-one. Mark stays a bit far away from me, so I can see him all the time, but I'll try and make time at least once a month to sit with him and have one-on-one chats, because I know that you guys actually enjoyed it. Again, thanks again for your continued support. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I love you guys a lot. I hope everyone is safe. It's a new year, so please be safe, keep well, hide your loved ones. If you love the content of the channel, right, please click on the like button, subscribe button, and bell button for future notifications. Guys, please spread the word. Let anyone who wants to learn Twi, find out about Twi, come to this channel. Hope they'll love it, and we'll see how it goes. And remember, guys, or should I say not remember, for this year, right, the channel will be changing a bit. I won't just be sitting doing these one-on-one translations with you guys. I'll be going out more, meeting business people, doing other things on this channel. So if you see that I'm doing other things on this channel, I'm not deviating from the main purpose of the channel. I'm just trying to explore and do something new. Hopefully you actually love that. I don't want to lose any of you because you guys have been with me from the beginning. So please let me know if that's okay with you guys, or if not, I should just stick with this. With lots of love from me, Kwesi. Bye.